Welcome to our channel where we share tips and tricks on home decor and design. Today we'll be talking about how to make your small bedroom look bigger. If you're living in a small space, you know how challenging it can be to make the most of it. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's start with the first tip, which is to declutter. A cluttered room can make it feel smaller than it actually is. So, get rid of anything that you don't need or use. Clothes, for example, can pile up easily, but if you have a small wardrobe or dresser, try to put away clothes that aren't in season or donate items that you no longer wear. Another tip is to use mirrors. Mirrors reflect light and can make a small room feel more spacious. Consider adding a full-length mirror or a few smaller mirrors to the room. Next, let's talk about lighting. Lighting can make a huge difference in a small space. Try to keep the ceiling light bright and add some task lighting, like a reading lamp or bedside table lamp. Natural light is also essential. If you have a window, make sure to keep it uncovered to let in as much light as possible. Lastly, consider the furniture you have in your room. Opt for furniture that is multifunctional, like a bed with built-in storage or a desk that can also serve as a nightstand. So, there you have it, our top tips for making your small bedroom look bigger. Declutter, use mirrors, maximize lighting, and choose multifunctional furniture. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor and design tips.